everyone, today I'm going to be breaking down the present perfect tense in 1 minute or less, showing you how to form it and when to use it. So first of all, forming it, you need the form of haber, in this case is the present tense, so has, ha, hemos, han, one of those forms, with the past participle of a verb. Some examples, hecho, which is the past participle of hacer, it is irregular, but there are regular ones as well, like nadado, comido, and bailado. Some examples of how to combine these together. Han ido a España. They have gone to Spain, implying that it was in the past, but you're still using the present perfect to express that. He comido el desayuno. I have eaten breakfast, implying it was earlier this morning, for example. ¿Has visitado a Colombia alguna vez? So have you ever been to Colombia? In the past, speaking. So there you go, present perfect in 1 minute or less. I hope this clears any questions that you might have, and if you still have any remaining questions, feel free to shoot me an email.